Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to upload music to Spotify on iPhone. 1. Swipe left or tap your profile picture. 2. Tap Settings and Privacy. 3. Scroll down to Local Files. 4. Switch Show Audio Files from this device on. 5. Go to your library. The Local Files folder should now appear in Playlists. If you can't find the Local Files playlist, then try to move your music files to the Spotify folder on your iPhone by doing this. 1. In the Files app, tap the folder of the browser Storage app. 2. Select the file and choose Copy or Move. 3. Tap Browse and go to the folder. On My iPhone. 4. Tap and press the folder for Spotify. 5. Select Paste or Move item here. Your stored music is now in Local Files. If it still doesn't work, try this. 1. To enable local file transfers between devices, you may need to allow access to your local network. 2. The Spotify folder may disappear from On My iPhone if the help file within it is deleted. To display the folder again, restart the Spotify app. That's it. Thank you for watching and remember to subscribe.